Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a web receipt on Cash App, and this is a really easy method. So first, you need to open up your browser and go to cash.app/account and just log in using your registered email or phone number. And once inside, you just want to go ahead and navigate to the Activity tab. Okay, now this will show you all your recent transactions. You just want to find the transaction you need a receipt for and click on it. And at the bottom, you'll see an option to basically view receipt. Okay, just click on that, and now you want to look for the print or, download button, right? Which lets you save it as a PDF for easy access. And that's it, guys. Now, you have your Cash App web receipt. And if you need it for tax purposes or, proof of payment, be sure to store it somewhere safe, and it's really that easy and simple. So, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.